In Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, Indian Army, police and paramilitary forces have intensified searches and frisking in Srinagar and other parts of the territory. The forces' personnel deployed in strength are patrolling roads and streets and conducting random checks of vehicles and pedestrians at prime locations like Lal Chowk, Jahangir Chowk, Hari Singh High Street, Regal Chowk, TRC Chowk and Polo View in the capital state. The locals said that troops checked their identity cards, searched pockets and valuables besides seeking driving licenses, ownership and registration certificates of vehicles. The All-Party Hurriyat Conference has lashed out at Indian fascist rulers for reviving the oppressive rule of Dogra Maharaja Hari Singh to leave absolute Muslim majority of Jammu and Kashmir at the mercy of Hindu bureaucracy. The APSC spokesman, in a statement issued in Srinagar, strongly condemned the absurd and arbitrary arrests by Indian troops and paramilitary personnel who have been given police powers to book youth on fictitious and baseless charges under draconian laws. The spokesman hailed the strong resolve of the Kashmiri people for complete freedom from Indian illegal occupation of their motherland despite these brutalities. Meanwhile, a large number of handicapped persons held a protest demonstration outside Press Club in Srinagar against failure of the authorities to initiate schemes for assistance of such people. They raised slogans against the administration and in favor of their demands. The protest was organized by the Jammu and Kashmir Handicapped Welfare Association. The Employees Joint Action Committee President Fayaz Ahmed Shabnam, in an interview in Srinagar, warned that arbitrary expulsion of employees on the directives of Narendra Modi-led fascist Indian government would have far-reaching consequences. The chairman of Jammu and Kashmir National Panthers Party, Harshdev Singh, in a statement in Jammu said that ruling BJP and its political allies have held hostage most of the media houses and newspapers in the territory. In India, at least 3 Muslim men were injured after they were assaulted by Hindu mob in the Indian state of Odisha. In another incident, a 22-year-old Muslim youth, Altaf, who was summoned by police for questioning in a case, was found dead inside a police station in Kasganj district of Uttar Pradesh. His body was found hanging inside a toilet of the police station. London-based global rights watchdog Amnesty International in a report said that the excessive use of surveillance of Hyderabad city in Telangana state of India is putting human rights at risk. It pointed out that it was almost impossible for people to walk down the street without risking exposure for facial recognition in the Indian state, which is one of the most surveilled cities in the world. The report mentioned that the rights of Muslims, Dalits, Adivasis, transgenders and historically disadvantaged sections of society are particularly at risk by mass surveillance.